Yo, damn. Sweaty. Mine look rough. That shit rough out here, bro. But today's Saturday. I'm a day earlier than expected. We got Lymron here.
Yo.
And we're actually gonna be painting the bay today. I did as much as I possibly could to prep the bay. So let's get this intro rolling. Let's get this credits, you know what I gotta talk about, and then let's get the video going, you feel me? So as usual, you already know the script. Save 10% off Max Speeding Rods. Hit the link in the description box below. Also, subscribe, share the video, show the love. You feel me? I do have merch coming back for sure this time. I'm 100% certain I'm bringing back merch because right now it's rough out here, bro, and these cars can't finish on their own. So I need you guys to support to your best of your abilities so I can get these cars in and out and looking proper, you feel me? So I can give you guys content and you guys can live through our videos and see what it's like to, you know, have a decent car. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna finish cleaning up the bay. I gotta wipe it down and everything. Lymron's getting the compressor ready, and I'll set up the GoPro and start painting. Shut up. Anyway, so Lymron mixed the paint. Paint code is what? R81. Milano red. Yeah, that's what it is.
Yeah, push over your eating. With diarrhea, baby.
I cleaned the bay to the best of my abilities. Hopefully everything lays with no issue. So I might switch to the GoPro because I don't want any paint to come back to the phone. I'd rather the GoPro over my phone. So, or I might just do both. We'll see.
Ready?
You say, Lymron? We look real good today. We look real good today. No copyright. Bro, I'm sitting down. I'm keeping a buck with you, bro. I can't believe the base painted, bro. And this shit look pretty good. We haven't hit the clear yet, but it's proper. And I'm happy. I think that's all that matters. Got you more over there. Clean out the gun, get ready for the clear, and we out. Oh yeah, I'm gonna show you something real quick. So back here, I came here the other night, and I want to know your opinion. I wrinkled black the turbo. Did a little wrinkle black job on it. So Yep. Watch you mix up. Oh, watch you mix.
Oh.
Watch you mix.
It girl jump off already?
Trash. No? I'm watching the car fall apart. That's why you don't go V-dub, fellas. Stick to Honda. You like that? Yeah, I feel like it, fool. Alright, now it's about time to wet up the bay.
Wet it up.
Yeah, man, wet it up. Have this red popping so we can start putting in the brackets, the mounts, and all the good jazz, the EP, the EEG subframe, all of that good jazz.
Wet it up.
You want more of the cord? Yeah.
Shit, shoot.
The bay isn't finished yet, but I'm just trying to show you guys the progress. It's not finished, but we're getting there.
Hey, you want a piece of here? At least you have a plan. DJ Lymron, the painter. Come around, say something. Say something.
So there you have it. The bay is officially painted, and I am so happy with the outcome. For a project that we did ourselves, we didn't have to go to no paint guy and have it done. Some of you guys will be like, yeah, it's still not perfect, but the fact that we did it ourselves in a storage unit, still pretty, you know, it's pretty darn good. So I'm happy with it. I don't care what nobody else says. That's all that matters. And I'm gonna show you the bay one more time before I get out of here.
Extra prayer. Extra.
Officially painted, boys and girls. So now that we have the bay painted, we can go ahead and start putting the bracket, get the subframe changed. I knew I should have pulled that out before I painted the bay, but I haven't even picked up the subframe yet, which is my fault. It's not Julian's fault, it's my fault. So once I get that done, I have a video to install the max speeding rods coilovers. That's another video. And then another video, I'm gonna be going over all the stuff that's on the motor and doing the gearbox, getting the clutch and all of that. So I do have some videos lined up. I just got to get everything done. But one of the biggest project is now out of the way, which is painting the base. So I can start putting more stuff together and just go at it like full effect. So thank you guys for your time. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. You know, thank you for the love. And I will see you guys in the next one. And I am out. Peace.